up? Welcome back to another episode of Betsy X. We were at what was that called? Fantasy World last time, and we go back to Glacier, so we can now buy everything because we broke the chest 10 billion times actually. I mean 1 to 2 3 times. Whatever. At least I can. Why don't I have hoverboard? Oh, I forgot it costs money. I'm not gonna buy Robux. I'm just gonna beg my brother for Robux. I mean, this game is old. I don't know. Oh, gift. Don't need it, but thank you for the gems. It's time to buy everything. Everything go time. Every single time. Bilhin ko lang mga side areas. Tagal nito masira. Nakalimutan ko pala ibili yung steampunk area doon. Yung may malaking chest. Ay, 46% na lang phone ko. Sorry, sinapian na ako ng aking aso. Okay na. Yun. Pupunta na tayo sa The Void, guys. Tapos doon tayo magana. Uy, nasira ko aksidente. Naklik ko. Lang. Akin na muna itong mga coins. Ewan ko dito. Yay! Oh, sino to? Nung iti-trade mo. Anong iti-trade mo para sa akin? Oh! Oh, walang pakinog ka. Ay, sorry. Oh! Dahil sobrang yaman ko na, guys, hindi ko nababalikan ng pera. Walang paki sa'yo. Yoko. I mean, wala ako sinabi. Sorry guys, I'm actually English. I promise I'm not Filipino. That's totally what I am. I promise. Itlog nyo mabaho. Itlog nyo mabaho. Ay. Kita ng pet ng aking katawan. Baby, just keep it in toilet. Ano ito? Dark matter. Psst, paki ko dyan. Useless pet. Puh. Don't care about that. Let's go to the next egg. Forgot I don't have coins. Let me just get coins. There you go. Let's buy everything that's here. Let me just put this. Oh my gosh, ano lang ako. That was my cute cough, guys. That was a very cute cough. I didn't do anything. I didn't say anything kanina sa simula. Paki ko. Ay guys, nakalimutan ko pa pala i-upgrade yung aking mga sa spawn world sa forest, guys. Naalala niyo yun? Nakalimutan ko pa i-upgrade yung aking mga useless na hindi ko kailangan sa buhay ko, pero okay na. So, wala akong paka sa reward na to kasi useless lang yan, pero at least binigyan pa rin. Give me that. Give me pets rin. Ubus na kagad pera ko. Give me more pet speed para mabilis pet ko. Para maging mabilis pet ko. Okay, kailangan natin yun. Hindi ko naman kailangan diamonds. Sige na nga. Kulang na ako kaya mo na yun. Pakay ko dyan. Masarap guys ang tang juice sa Pinas. Wala akong sinasabing masama. Sinasabi ko lang masarap ang tang juice sa Pilipinas. Oops guys, pupunta na pala ako sa next episode na lang pala yung next area na yun guys. So it's time to end it up with dots. Let me just enjoy my next episode.